Well, not really a barn find, but this might just as well have been. It's absolutely covered in dust. This has been sat in the corner of a powder coating shop for, oh, I don't know, 20, 25, maybe 30 years. Might seem an odd thing to have in a powder coating shop. I suppose it is really. One half of the workshop is powder coating and the other half had some power presses in. Manufacturer of metal furniture, so the shop next door used to do most of the fabricating, but the presses were in the same shop as the powder coating plant. And if you're doing press work, you need a surface grinder to keep your press tools in good condition. So that's obviously why they had this. It's one of the old press tools on the floor there. The presses have gone. Nobody uses power presses anymore. They're kind of redundant because of laser cutting. Everything gets laser cut these days. So yeah, this thing, I don't know, it's a Jones Shipman. Jones Shipman 540. I don't know how old it is, it's probably quite an old one. But I think it's still quite well regarded. This thing, I mean, it moves. It's not totally seized up. I don't know if the hydraulics work on it. I think they're hydraulic, aren't they? That works. This one up and down works. But yeah, absolutely caked in dust. Slightly oily dust, I suppose, which is why it's caked up. So we've got to move this. Clean it up a bit before we do, and I don't know what will happen to it. We've got a surface grinder, a little manual one. Don't really need this, so I don't know. Maybe we'll see if anybody wants this. And it's even got an opti-dress on it. Look at this. The dressing profiles on your grinding wheel. Well, and just stood there for decades, not being used.